Welcome to this lecture on interactive dashboard, linking charts and drill down in SAP Analytics Cloud. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to link multiple charts so then they can interact dynamically, enable drill down capabilities to explore data from the high level to detailed insight. This will help you create dashboards that are not visually appealing but also powerful in data exploration. So let's begin. So we have already learned that how we can build our data model, and we have modeled our data in the modeler option, same as we have did. Let's have a quick recap on the modeler. So you know that modeler have the option to create models based on the CDS views or based on the Excel files or based on the another data resources. So we have built our model which have the measure, sale price, quantity and sales, whereas we have the dimension, different dimension. We have order ID, order detail, order date, pizza ID, which is a pizza, which is a product ID, and we have the size in these dimensions, and so on. So we have completed our data modeling, and now we are going to explore the chart linking and chart drill down capabilities. So let's we have for this we have to create a story. So let's go to the story option and then go to the responsiveness, as this is the same option which asking to the user. I create on the click. So now we are going to create our story very rapidly. Here it is. Now we have a blank canvas for our story. Let's I select the chart. So then we will link these chart accordingly. So that's as per practice. The system, the SAP system will ask the data model or the data set. So what the data model, I have to select what we have built earlier. So let's search the data model which named as sales. We know the name of the model is sales. Let's I write it pizza sales. Let's I write it pizza sales. So then our newly created model is being showed. So I select that particular model. Here it is. Now our we have our chart with the data model of sales pizza. Now we have to select the measure and dimension accordingly. So let's select the quantity, and then in the portion of measure I will select the dimension of product. Also I select the size. So then we can have the different product with the different sizes. So for the sake of for so let's analyze the uh, so in this chart we are analyzing our pizza in respect of the size of the pizza. So now we know we have selected only the size in the section, in the dimension section, and on the measure section I have selected the quantity. So let's resize it so then we can easily view it. Here it is. Now in this chart we are showing that the large pizza have the more quantity of sale, whereas on the second number, the medium pizza and the small pizza, after that XL and the XSL. So now our topic is to linking chart respectively. So for the sake of this feature, we will create another chart. I will go to the copy and then go to the duplicate. Here it is. Now our chart, our second chart is been duplicated. So for I will change it by in respect to the dimension. So I will add the dimension of product pizza ID. Here it is. Now in this chart, I remove the dimension of size. Here it is. Now we have two charts. One is showing the sale with respect to the pizza ID, and the other is showing the sale with respect to the size of the pizza. For the sake of linking of both the chart, we'll have to insert the input control and then link with respect to the particular dimension. So I will select the input control and then I will select in the sake of dimension. I will select uh, the the size of the pizza by member. So then we will select the members. I will select the all member and all the options available here. Here it is. Now resize. Let's resize it accordingly. Let's move it to the right place. Here it is. Now our input control and both the chart has been perfectly aligned. Now I want to interlinking all both of the chart with the same input control. Let's if I will select the size of the pizza to the large. So then if I click on the large and then click on the apply section, so you can see that this input is applied automatically to both the chart. So then it's same as it is that if all the chart is available and if I click on the particular option, particular size of the pizza and the type, the data of the another chart will be automatically filtered. So one thing which should be applied when we add the input control is to hide the apply selection, because if we off the apply selection button, then whenever we will change the criteria of the chart, the all the chart will be automatically filtered and we don't need to press the apply button option. So in this way we can filter automatically multiple charts. So let's add another chart into our story. So then we will link all of these charts accordingly. So let's go to the insert menu and then select the chart, and then we will change the source of this and we will change the source of this chart to the different model. So then we will link accordingly.